Okay, here you see, you can see on the screen, that is Solanaceae. What is Solanaceae? It is actually a family. Okay, now till now we all were dealing with the floral formula, floral arrangement, structure of a flower. Now we will be dealing with only Solanaceae and Liliaceae. Fabaceae is cut from your syllabus. So here you see Solanaceae. If you focus on the habitat, they are a large family, and all these plants that is belonging to the Solanaceae family is known as the potato family. Okay, that means they have got a tuber underneath. Now it is widely distributed. Now where do we find? In the tropics and subtropical, and even in the temperate zone. Now what is the vegetative character? Vegetative character means what you see characters other than the flower and the fruit. Now see, plants mostly herb, shrub and small tree. Okay, so they are found in all three. Now structure of the stem. How is the structure of the stem? They are herbaceous but rarely woody. Some might be woody. They are aerial, erect, cylindrical, branch and solid. That means the stems are very strong. Now if you have seen a brinjal tree, you can very well make out the character like that. They are woody, they are bushy. Okay, now here you see the leaf structure. The leaf structure, see, their margins are there, they are serrated structure. Flowers are solitary, maybe cymose inflorescence. Okay, now fruits, you see, fruits are berry. Berry means many seeded fruit. Okay, now here you see hollow, hairy or glabrous. Glabrous means they have got a hair around it. Then underground stem, potato. Potato, scientific name of potato is Solanum tuberosum. Okay, Solanum tuberosum. Now leaves. Leaves, if you see, they are alternate, simple, rarely pinnately compound, exstipulated. That means they don't have a stipule. That means a small stalk attached at the base of the leaf stalk, and reticulate venation. Okay, and see the flowers solitary. That means they have got a single flower, axillary or cymose as in Solanum. Then flowers are bisexual and actinomorphic. Sepals, they are 5, united. United means gamosepalous. The calyx is persistent. That means it is present along with the fruit. For example, if you see a brinjal, you see the calyx is already there at the end of the brinjal, and the estivation is valvate. What is valvate? They are in a circular fashion and they are non-overlapping. That is valvate. Then androecium, see, they are 5. Stamens are 5, and epipetalous, that means it is already attached to the petal. Gynoecium, it is bicillary. What is bicarpellary? Bicarpellary means it has got 2 carpels. Syncarpus, they are joined together. Ovary superior, that means situated above the thalamus. It is bilocular, 2-chambered, and placenta is swollen with many ovules. So fruit, that is known as a berry or a capsule, many seeded fruit. And in endospermous, that means it has thick seeds, is endospermous. Floral formula, you see, it is this, that means it is actinomorphic, bisexual, calyx 5, corolla 5, androecium 5, the upper this thing, it is gamosepalous. Okay, and it is joined to this is epipetalous. Okay, and here the G underline, that means it is a superior ovary. 2 means 2-chamber. So this formula, basically the floral formula, that is K5, C5, A5 bar, C and A, it is joined together, so they have a bar underneath, and since the ovary is superior, the G has got an underline. So this basically floral formula, it is entirely for the same family. Okay, and what is the economic importance? See, since it is a large family, see, tomato, brinjal and potato, they are used as a commercially used as vegetables. Chilies, they are spice and medicine. You see, belladonna and ashwagandha, these two are medicinal herbs and they belong to this Solanaceae family. And fumigatory means Solanum nicotinum, it is a tobacco. And another petunia, it's an ornamental plant. So you are going to go through it very carefully. And the next and the last family that is in your syllabus is the Liliaceae family. Liliaceae, basically a lily family, that means It is a monocotyledonous plant and is distributed worldwide. What is the vegetative character? Perennial herb. What is perennial herb? That means it has got no specific growing season, and it is basically, they have got an underground bulb or a corn or a rhizome, and it is perennial. That means grows throughout the year. Now leaves, they are mostly basal. Basal means arises from the base of the stem. They are alternate, linear, exstipulated. That means they don't have a stipulate, and since it is monocotyledonous, they have got a parallel venation. Now inflorescence, if we talk of the inflorescence, they are basically solitary, and sometimes it is a cymose with umbellate cluster. That means you have got a cluster at the top of the plant. Okay. Now the plant is bisexual, actinomorphic. Now they have got a perianth. What is perianth? That means you, since it is a monocot, you cannot basically distinguish the sepal and the petal. Okay, so perianth tepal, it is 6, 3 plus 3 united into a tube-like or a valvate estivation. For example, Helianthus tuberosa, the Rajnigandha flower. Okay, the stamen, it is 3 plus 3, it is diadelphous. Now gynoecium, it is tricarpellary. That means it has got 3 chambers. Syncarpus means it's united. Ovary superior, again like that of a Solanaceae, and trilocular. See, since it is tricarpellary, 3 carpels are there. The chamber is trilocular. That means 3 chamber with many ovules and exile placentation. The fruit is generally a capsule. It is rarely a berry. What is berry? I said it is a many-seeded fruit, as you find in the Solanaceae family. Seeds, it's endocarpus, and here you see, here again the floral formula is very important. Plus here with a circle indicates that the flower is actinomorphic, and again here the male and the female together, so this sign gives, and P for perianth, and it is 3 plus 3 because you cannot separate the calyx and the corolla. Again androecium is 3 plus 3 bundle. The gynoecium is superior, so it's underlined here, and it is 3 underscript in the bracket. That means it is trilocular. So again this is the formula. Plus P 3 plus 3, A again 3 plus 3, and G underlined, and here you see the P and A, they don't have a superscript. That means they are free. Okay, so this is the basically formula, and that goes well for all the plants belonging to the Liliaceae family. And the economic importance is specifically, see, majority of them either they are ornamental or they have got a medicinal value. For example, the tulip and gloriosa. Tulip and gloriosa, they have got an ornamental value, that means you for show flower. Then sources for medicine, aloe. This is for medicinal, and the vegetables like asparagus and colocynum, Colocynum autumnale. These are all medicinal values, and here this is the diagram, this is the floral formula, floral diagram. So these two are very, and you, see Allium cepa, this onion and garlic, they also belonging to this. Okay, so go through this very carefully, and the floral diagrams are very important.